Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and preparation. Check that the drive is powered and visible in firmware, then create a Windows 11 USB installer on another machine. Once done, enter BIOS or UEFI and set the USB as the first boot device. Make sure UEFI versus legacy mode matches how Windows was installed. You need the installer because it contains recovery tools and boot repair utilities. Start the installer and choose Repair your computer instead of Install to access those tools. You now perform the core repairs. Open Troubleshoot right arrow Advanced Options right arrow Command Prompt because that environment lets you run diskpart, bootrec, and BCD boot to rebuild the boot configuration. First verify the Windows partition letter with diskpart, list vol. Then run bootrec/fixmber and bootrec/fixboot. If Windows is found, run bootrec/rebuild to re-register installations. For UEFI systems, use BCD boot C /Windows/LNUS/SEFI partition letter. /F. You finish by removing the USB, saving firmware changes, and restarting to verify Windows boots. If the system still errors, boot the installer again and choose Startup Repair to automate fixes. Meanwhile, run chkdsk /F/R to check disk health because corrupted sectors can break boot. If repairs fail, restore from a system image or perform a reinstall while selecting options that keep your files. One key troubleshooting tip. If repairs don't stick, test the drive in another PC to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.